I'm just near in Leicestershire, north west of Leicester, and I'm at a little place called Castle Gresley, and there's the remains of a Motte and Bailey castle. Not much evidence of the Bailey. It's probably going to get a bit windy any second now, so might not be able to hear me. Yeah, a substantial motte, but no evidence of a Bailey that I can see. I think Leicester is in that direction there, I think. That's probably the Bailey over there. Just there, there's a little bunker. Not sure why they needed a bunker here in the Cold War. I think you can park just here, but I think I've walked about half a mile from over there. It's not been windy all day, suddenly I get here and it's windy. Yeah, as you can see, it's a substantial motte. No direct evidence of a Bailey, but that must be this piece out here. There is what appears to be a little walkway there over what would have been a moat around the motte. I don't know how old recent that is. Yeah, I think if you come off that roundabout and come down here, I think it's an easier way to get to this place than the way I did it. But there's another one off the list. Very impressive. Castle Gresley.